Anyway, here's the pink girl. She's the littler one. What you got, baby? She found a bone. Come here, baby. Hi. See, she's comfortable running around. Can you get the bone? Get it. Toss it over here. I'll go leave it. I'm giving it to your little girl. Oh. Oh. Pink girl. She's got really nice bone. She's always been heavy boned. And real nice composition, good pigment, excellent coat color. She's so sweet. She plays nice with everybody, yet she's not a wuss. Here, can I throw your bone? Go get it. Anyway, that's what she looks like right now. I'll post this on YouTube. Bye, pink girl. Hi, baby.